Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Getting your PlayStation 5 hooked up to a Samsung Frame TV, especially the 2025 model, is a straightforward task. This quick guide makes the process incredibly easy and ensures you get the best picture. We'll show you exactly how to do it efficiently so you can enjoy all your favorite games with an amazing picture very soon. Begin by taking your HDMI cable and plugging one end firmly into the HDMI out port on the back of your PlayStation 5. Next, carefully connect the other end of that same cable into an HDMI 2.1 port on your Frame TV. These ports are usually labeled clearly, ensuring you get the optimal signal for a crisp, smooth gaming experience. Once connected, power on your Frame TV and switch to the HDMI input where your PS5 is plugged in. From there, head into your TV settings. Look for the Game Mode feature. Activating this special mode is crucial as it significantly reduces input lag, making your games feel much more responsive and look incredibly vibrant. Now, power up your PlayStation 5 and navigate to the Settings menu, then select Screen and Video. For resolution, setting it to automatic is often best, or you can manually choose 3840 by 2160 for that sharp 4K picture. Also, confirm that HDR is enabled within these settings to truly unlock your Frame TV's incredible color capabilities. Before you dive into gaming, just quickly check that both your PlayStation 5 and Frame TV are updated to their latest software versions. If anything seems off, try a different HDMI cable or even another HDMI port on your TV. With these simple steps, your PlayStation 5 and Frame TV are perfectly synced and ready to deliver an absolutely incredible gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.